a very legal sounding and perhaps deceptively simple sounding question would be, what should I know before I file for a divorce? And I often get a similar question, which might be, I just want to ask you a few questions. Tell me what I need to know before I file for divorce. And as you can imagine, if the answer is to be helpful at all, the answer really couldn't be a one-size-fits-all. It really does necessarily need to take into account who someone is, what their circumstances are, to whom are they married. For me, overwhelmingly, the first question somebody needs to, I think, get an answer to prior to filing a divorce is, are they at the end of their marriage? And so I'm actually coming at this maybe from a little different direction entirely than what the questioner might be thinking, because it's very difficult for a lawyer to answer the question, should I get divorced? Or someone might say to the attorney, I'm thinking of getting a divorce. Can you tell me what the law of alimony would do? And in that situation, I think I owe it to somebody out of politeness as well as professionalism to say, I will answer your question on what the court might do on alimony. And if you will just sort of allow me this maybe presumptiveness to think that I would hope whether you intend to seek a divorce really wouldn't matter. It really wouldn't be based on what the court might do in terms of alimony. That's a much more fundamental question. And I would encourage you also to know that what the court would do on that question, let's say again it's alimony, what the court would do is simply what would be fair, taking into account all the circumstances of your case. And then I would say, but okay, I will address your question head on. Let's talk about your circumstances, and I'll give you at least a very preliminary indication what might the court do on the question of alimony in your case.